So actually, I just want to emphasize nga, motopropyo ni siya nga-review last year. So meaning, kasi pasabot ang motopropyo nga ang board mismo ang ni-undertake sa review without a petition for a review of the wages. At the very beginning, I would like to say that wage fixing or wage determination is both a science and an art. A science because it is evidence-based, but it is also an art because it's a balancing act. You balance between the needs, ensuring that the minimum requirements sa atong workers are met against ang need for the businesses to remain afloat. So, what were the considerations? So, we underwent, so tanan, may tuyong ta sa nagalain-laing provinces and highly urbanized cities to actually consult them. So, what were the basis? Kasi ito gitanaw ang mga datos. Una, poverty threshold. Poverty threshold is an income. It is the minimum income required to meet the basic needs of a family of 5. But in Region 10, our average household size is not 5, but between 4 to 4.2. Second, atong gitanaw ang poverty level. So, unsa ang mga poverty levels across the different provinces. And we also looked at the economic activities of the provinces and the cities. Unsa yung mga drivers sa economy, unsa ang mga economic activities. We also looked at employment levels and even underemployment levels. And we looked at inflation. We looked at prices. Actually, kung i-compute nimo, i-compute ang poverty threshold, vis-a-vis katungdaan na tumari. Actually, ang atong wage rate sa una is even a bit higher than the threshold. Pero kita di man ta gusto nga, igo lang mo tungtong sa minimum ang atong katawhan. Except sa Cagayan de Oro, kaya ang Cagayan de Oro medyo taas naman yun ang level niya of prices. So, ang threshold sa Cagayan de Oro is taas. Dili man nato gusto nga ang atong katawhan would simply meet the bare minimum. Because ang atong gusto manggod is improved welfare for everyone. Ang atong pong gilantaw, katulad atong mga mamumuo. But at the same time, ibalansin nato. Hindi man po pwede nga manira ang atong mga nagpatigayon, ang atong mga business. But the word here is minimum ha. So meaning, the businesses can give more than what is the minimum. And in fact, during the consultation, naaman ni mga nadunggan ng mga employers that are actually giving more than the prescribed minimum wage order. Now, as to sir sa imong question kung maigo na, depende din po na sir sa tao or sa family. Kaya in fact kami, arang-arang naman sa among sweldo, pero na may uban sa among nga nagkadipo-dipo, nalubong sa utang. Nga lahi man po din ang lifestyle. Na may lifestyle, na may preference, na may uban nga okay lang sweldo, ba't nagbuyo man sa tumang kalisod? Lifestyle. So whether it is enough or not, really depends on the preference of the households and the lifestyles that people live. But based on evidences, based on the available data, our minimum wage is more than meets the minimum threshold.